What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Freedom. Speech today, people. Today, people, I'm reacting to. Who am I reacting to, people? Who? I'm reacting to FaTTi, people, yeah? This one's called Glock Automatik, people, yeah? Shout to all my Albanians, shout to all my Albos, you know what I mean? You know you gotta do this, innit? To shout them out. Shout out to all you boys and girls and that Albanian community across the whole world. So yeah, people, man, you guys wanted me to react to this one. Let me know what you think about this song. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know, people, what you think about it, the song and itself and the video itself. People, let's get into this one right about now. Let's go, people, man. Club settings, yeah? The baddies are in the room. Whoa. Slow down, FaTTi, man. Slow down. Man's just branching it like it's nothing. You know what I mean? Crazy. He's going out crazy. You know what I mean? He's going out crazy. I know he's got that. I know he's got it on him. Chill. You see it, my brother. Know what I mean? Yeah. You see it, man. Man's just stepping into the rave like, you know what I mean? Like nothing. He's a madman. He's gone mad. He's gone mad, people. But yeah, people, yo, he just went in straight into the song. I thought we were gonna get like a long intro and then come through with the whole song itself. You know how the intros are for every song, man. Sometimes it's that 30 seconds to the intro comes in. This one just came straight through and said, yo, he just straight onto it quick. Know what I mean? Madness. Crazy.
Me bodojnë fatin krejt femnat Për shdo javin drejs jo di emnat Si gangster, mi leti mu renat Kur na vim të janë qant mërna Qa po prek me ne bohet neja Hajde pim thuj qa ke për mërna Rinëm shef me ku është e jemja Bukur cen të ti po mrin menja Twerk, mos e nal Twerk, si normal Twerk, mos e nal Hajde me ofrem trego se që ban Baby girl ko stilin shumë seksi Don me dal Rolls Royce ose Bentley Bledhë rota, her Prada, her Fendi Hajde me fatin e di qa pelqendi Kur na vim bohet nami Femnat bugra si Barbie Për shdo gjan na ke gati Lafin se zgjati gjyk Glock Automatik.
Wait, he said love. He said basically the Glock 9 is just like a love symbol. You know what I mean? Like, love is like a Glock automatic because it goes around, right? That's what he's trying to say, right? Into the song, he said the love of what he's got on him. You know what I mean? He said the love of the game. It's like the love of the game, basically, isn't it?
Mos rikot bjerë shishet ma shtreta Jena plot kalla blak I du krejta Jo me I tjetër, kur s'është e njejta Qa shef sot kom punu nuk I gjeta Gjy me lek, ka lezet Kur ti flet po m'pëlqen dialekt Je perfekt, dredhemi tek Bojmë gjirën qytet si ti kur s'ko me gjit Femna e gërë thiri mafioze Mon hekrin takime serioze Për gjithë shka jo bohet kurios.
Wait, hey people in the comment section, where did he shoot this music video? Let me know in the comment section. Where did he shoot this music video? Now let me know. I wanna know. Know what I mean? He looks like he's having massive fun in that video, man. Know what I mean? He's having proper fun in there.
Ta du ftyrën kur bosh nervoze Trupi soj forma Marr me vedi të dhoma Me to shana, ndona pajtona Po syte soj nuk I qejta asjona Kur na vim bohet nomi Femnat bukra si Barbie Për shdo gjana ke gati Lafin se zgjati gjy Glock Automatik Kur na vim bot nomi Femnët bukra si Barbie Për shto qan na ke gati Lafin se qati që Glock Automatik.
There you go, people, man. Hey, Glock Automatik, yeah? FaTTi, yeah? Shout out to him, man. This song's a banger, people. I can't even lie to you. Summer banger, you know what I mean? It's madness. But there you go, people. There you go, people.